I'm Dr. Stephen Minnie, the newly inaugurated president of the California Optometric Association. I want to take this time to welcome you to my first President's Minute, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to serve in this capacity. I am convinced that our association exists to protect and enhance the integrity of optometry. We have our work cut out for us. This year, our association will work to protect the integrity of optometry by passing SB 622. Our opponents have forced us to whittle this down to its sleekest form, and this is what we will pass. Optometry is a legislated profession, which means our efforts never end. Unfortunately, a children's vision bill that we supported last year had to be shelved. This year, we have joined a coalition of interested parties trying to build a stronger base of support, and we hope to support a similar bill in the next cycle, 2017. Last year, we opposed two large corporations that elected to come into our state and try to pass legislation favoring themselves. We beat back that threat, but we are always alert to those issues resurfacing. This year, we will be watching what is known as disruptive technology in eye care. This is a broad array of web applications, venture capital, these sort of efforts that promise the world to our patients by avoiding that annoying doctor-patient visit for a small fee. I am genuinely thankful for the opportunity to take the helm of our association, of which I am so proud. Thank you for watching my first President's Minute. I'll see you next time.